I would like to brief you the two tax structure currently. So Ms. Joshi, first of all, this need to be understand that there are currently two tax structure. One is the old regime and the other is the new regime. So government has made the changes with respect to the new regime only. There are no changes with respect to the old regime. The new regime was introduced around 2 years back, and this was not getting popular between the taxpayers. If we go to the numbers, so there were around 7.5 crore ITS was filed for last year, out of which only the 5 lakh ITS was there in the new tax structure. So the chart which you are showing, this relates to a new tax structure where government has made all the changes.
So simplify this for me further.
Yeah.
Right now, are you saying that somebody who earns up to 3 lakh rupees per year will pay no income tax, correct?
Exactly.
Earlier it was only 2.5 lakh. मतलब मैं 2.5 लाख से ऊपर कमाती हूँ तो मुझे टैक्स देना पड़ता था, अब ये बढ़ करके 3 लाख हो गया है, correct?
True.
All right. So how much money roughly do you think somebody will save?
It was around 5%. So 5% of 50,000 is 2,500 odd amount.
All right. So that is how much you're earning. Now let's take a look at the next slab. Earlier, if you earned between 2.5 to 5 lakhs, you paid 5%. Okay, so basically the limit has been increased by roughly 50,000 for each slab.
Exactly. Along with that, there are reduction in the tax rate also. If you see the these two charts, so you will be able to correlate that earlier there was limit of 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh. Now this has increased from 3 lakhs to 6 lakhs.
Okay.
So the tax rate is 5%. Earlier it was 5 lakh. Now this has increased to 6 lakh. So this is the benefit which the common man, the middle class person is getting actually.
Okay. So roughly you will earn, depending on how much your annual income is, you will save anything between 2,500 rupees to about 40 to 48,000.
Let's
right?
take to the next level. Now government has also announced.
Okay, wait, before you take it to the next level, I think many people are calling you to get your expert advice. So let's have them talk straight away to you. Rajiv from Bengaluru is on the line. Go ahead, Rajiv. What is your question?
Hi, Rajiv. Am I audible?
All right. Rajiv, can you go on, ask your question? All right, Mr. Agarwal from Bhopal is on the phone line. Go on, Mr. Agarwal. What's your question?
Sir, I have been investing in PPF.
Okay.
Hello. Now,
Yes.
what will happen to like this exempt? Means the interest on PPF will be still exempted in future?
Yes.
It will be exempt in future
Yes,
also?
yes.
Okay, that's your answer.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes. Okay.
Umesh from Bangalore. Yes, go on, Mr. Umesh.
It's a fantastic, budget, keeping in view the unemployment and inflation. And the second thing is, that 7.5% for 2 years for women, it is a fantastic one. I appreciate the Mrs. Nirmala Sitaraman. And this infrastructure, the investment is up to 3 lakh crore is also a welcome move. And apart from that, Nari Shakti, etc., and so on. It's a very good budget. And Modi, I think he will return to the power in 2024.
Sir, do you have a tax query?
No, a tax query I don't have that.
Okay,
much.
you just have happiness to share. All right, thanks for doing that. Ajit from Kolkata is also on the phone line. Go on, sir. What's your query?
I just want to know what advantage has been given to senior citizen as far as income tax is concerned.
So if we talk about a specific advantage to a senior citizen, there is no such advantage. But yes, with respect to a pension income, there is an advantage. Earlier there was a limit of 15 lakh or something where you was not supposed to get benefit of investing more than 15 lakhs. Now that limit has been extended from 15 lakhs to 30 lakhs. So now you can invest more, and then there is a benefit because on those investment you will be getting a higher tax interest rate. Along with that, there is one more benefit which government is providing, that is related to leave encashment. Whenever a senior citizen left a company and he gets a leave encashment, that leave encashment earlier was supposed to tax over and above 3 lakh rupees. Now that limit has been drastically increased to 25 lakh rupees. So at those level, whenever a senior citizen is retiring and getting a leave encashment, you will get a huge benefit, tax benefits.
Okay, let us now explain about how much money you will be saving in absolute numbers. So, like Mr. Kapil Mittal here was telling us, these are the slabs and these are your savings. Would you agree with this, Mr. Mittal?
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, so you basically have, if you earn between 2.5 to 5 lakh rupees, your savings are 2,500 rupees. Between 5 to 7.5 lakh, it's 5,000 rupees. Between 7.5 to 10 lakhs, it's 7,500. And above 15 lakhs, you will end up saving about 52,500. Now, since we are asking questions, there is one from my colleagues, which is that what is the difference between 7 lakh rebate and 3 lakh exemption?
So the point here is,
And make it really simple.
so the point here is you need to focus on two things. Whether you are opting for a new structure or an old structure. If you are going with a new structure, then your tax bracket up to 7 lakh, there is no tax.
Okay.
Okay, and you will get the benefit for that.
Okay.
If you are opting for an old structure, then up to 5 lakh of your net income, there is no tax. So you have to opt accordingly. Now taking to further, if you have certain investment, like you have done some LIC, you must have your medical insurance and all.
Okay.
So in that case, if you feel that you are good to go with old tax regime up to 5 lakh plus 1 lakh 50,000 of that exemption and then 50,000 of medical insurance or maybe home loan interest benefit and all, then you will going to opt for a old regime.
Okay.
Okay, and if you don't have so much of exemptions, investment with respect to LIC or other stuff, then you will get benefit into your new structure.
All right. So that largely, hopefully, answers everyone's queries.